So as you can see here, payments received in the last 30 days, that's 1,100 plus 9,700. You can see there it's over $10,000. And I don't just want to show you the screen, right, but I actually want to show you here, this is real cash. This is a real $100 bill, right? You can see the serial numbers are different. So we have $10,000 here. And so I share this, you know, to you, not to impress you, but to show you what is possible and inspire you that if a college dropout can do it, you can do it as well. What is going on? This is Adriana coming to you from San Diego. We just came back from Las Vegas on a business trip and I'm super excited to be here. Check out this gorgeous view here in beautiful San Diego. I have the most amazing view today. I woke up feeling so blessed and I'm about to share with you how I've been able to generate over $10,000 in less than 30 days working part-time, 2 to 3 hours per day, working 4 days out of the week. And you're here because you want to learn more information on how you can start working from home, how you can start working online part-time, how to make money online, right? That's what we're going to talk about today. So what I'm going to share with you before giving you the details on how you can join my team and get step-by-step training, right? You don't have to have any experience whatsoever because we actually lead by example, showing you in step-by-step video training modules on how you can get from point A to point Z, building a successful online business. Before I share the details with you, I want to actually log into my back office to show you proof that I was able to make over $10,000 in the last 30 days. So go ahead and come with me. I'm going to share with you my screen here. And go ahead and come closer, because I'm going to show you the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And show you the information here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in now. Okay, perfect. Now that we are logged in, this is my name here, Adriana Villegas. I'm going to go ahead and click on reports. So you can see it's loading. There it is. And I'm going to show you, right, from the last 30 days how much I've been able to generate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the calendar here, starting from February 1st. So you can see there, February 1st. Make it a little bit bigger just to make sure that you're catching that. And then all the way throughout March 3rd, right, Friday. So that's less than 30 days. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. Okay, as you can see it's loading. I'm going to click submit again. As you can see it's loading. And then scroll down. So as you can see here, I've made over $9,000, $9,710, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and click on my PayPal account so I can log in to show you as well how much I've been able to make here with PayPal. So definitely made over $10,000 in less than 30 days working very part-time. I always say if a college dropout can do it, you can do it as well. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And like I said, you don't have to have any experience whatsoever. You can literally start changing your life starting today. And I'm going to go ahead and just make this bigger so you can see that's my name there, Adriana Villegas. It's my business PayPal account. And then I'm going to go to here under payments received, right, under charts and graphs. So you can see in the last 30 days how much I've generated here using PayPal. Okay, great. It's loading here. So again, you don't have to have experience. If you know how to copy and paste, we have pre-written ads that you copy and paste using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, also Craigslist, YouTube. So we show you that. We also show you offline marketing. So as you can see here, payments received in the last 30 days, that's 1,100 plus 9,700. You can see there it's over $10,000. And I don't just want to show you the screen, right, but I actually want to show you here. This is real cash. This is a real $100 bill, right? You can see the serial numbers are different. So we have $10,000 here. And so I share this, you know, to you, not to impress you, but to show you what is possible and inspire you that if a college dropout can do it, you can do it as well. I mean, I can take forever counting this cash right here. This is a legitimate business. This is not a game. You can literally change your life, you know, pay off your debt, you know, pay off your college fees, you know, pay off your car loan, pay off, you know, or put a down payment on your house. I mean, the sky is the limit. The more effort that you put into your business, the more results you're going to get. And so if you want to learn how to live the laptop lifestyle, go ahead and I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today, and I will see you at the top. Again, that's www.richmindsets.com.